Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat message not sending on iPhone and iPad. Lot of Snapchat user has been reporting to Snapchat new update after Snapchat message not sending on iPhone and iPad. Now users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. Before the starting this video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Sometimes users to say I already connect with the strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android devices, but still Snapchat message not sending on iPhone and iPad. Now question is what to do for the fixing this issue. Now the first of all open the Snapchat applications. Now bottom to select the chat. Now you can see also select the anyone people and send the message. Now type the messages and bottom to select the send. Now you can see also lot of users to say Snapchat message sending not working. Now tap on the profile section at the left hand side corner and now tap on the gear icon at the right hand side corner. Now you can see also in settings sections, now scroll down and select the clear cache option. When the find out the clear cache options, now please make sure tap on it and clear all the caches on your Snapchat account. Wait for the sometimes clear cache on the Snapchat. Once the clear cache, now you can see also Snapchat is restarted. Now please make sure tap on the OK. Now again open the Snapchat applications and bottom to select the chat option. In chat anyone select the people. Now tap on the write the messages. Write the messages. After you can see also bottom to select the send icon. You can easily send the message of your friends, family members and also another person. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment sections. I will try your problem. Thank you so much.